How to use atom? Okay. The screen. What is happening there? Wait. Okay. So what are the yes? What are the steps that we are going to follow? First step is what? Find the base and the difference. Find the base and difference. Okay. So in the first example, okay. Don't know. Okay. In the first example, while multiplying these two, what I need to see, 97 and 99 are near to what? 100, right? So the 100 will be the base for this example. And as you can see, 9989, 9989, 9995, 9995. These two numbers are near to what? Yes,
10,000.
10,000, right?
10,000.
So the 10,000 will be the base for this example. And here, what will be the base? See, how many digits are there? 6
We
digits.
have got 10 lakh.
So 1 0 0 0
1
0 0. Whether this will be a base?
Sir, 10 lakh होते.
Okay, this will be the
10
base
lakh.
for. Okay, and for this 4 zeros. For this one 100 will be. Okay, so the base for this, we got the base. So the first step for the first example will be 100 will be the base, and how I am going to write, see that example 97 and difference. Now 97 minus 100, what will be the answer? Minus 3 will be there. 99 minus 100, minus 1 will be there. Okay, now I have to draw a straight line. See, in the second example, what is the base? 10,000 is the base. Yeah, one more zero will be there. 10,000 is the base, and 9989. Now you have to subtract this 9989 with 10,000. What will be the difference?
Minus
11.
11.
Minus 11.
Minus 11.
Good. 99 that 95 minus 5 will be there.
Minus 5.
Okay, and in the third example, what is the base?
-1 -1.
Yeah, 999999 minus 1 will be there, and 9999 again minus 1 will be. Okay, this is the second step. Okay. What is the next thing? What is the next step? Next step is to, yes, the number of digit on RHS equal to number of zeros in the base. In the base, how many zeros are there in the example A? There are 2 zeros. So 2 digits will be there to the right hand side. In the example B, how many digits will be there to the right hand side? 4 digits. Will be there. And here, how many digits?
6.
6.
Digits will be there. Okay. This is the second step. Now, what is the third step? Yes, third step. See, multiply the differences on the RHS. We have to multiply the differences and we have to write at the RHS. So minus 3 and minus 1. See, difference is minus 3. That's why we have to multiply minus 3 with minus 1. This dash is a sign of minus. This dash is a sign of minus, right? Minus 3 into minus 1. That is, yes, 3 will be there. We have to write down in 2 digits. How to write down in 2 digits? I have to write down 0, 3. Now, what about this one? Minus 11 minus 5. It will
55.
be 55.
minus
0,
6.
0, 5,
0,
5.
0, 5, 5.
Yeah, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 will be there.
Okay.
Okay, 0, 0, 5 will be there. Now here again, 0, 0,
0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1.
and 1 will be there. Okay, so this is the third step, right? What is the fourth step? Put the cross answer on the RHS. Cross answer means what? Here we are not going to multiply the cross multiplication. Okay, here multiply, instead of multiplying, what is the sign here? Minus, subtraction sign is there. So 99 minus 3 will be there, or either you can subtract these two, 99 minus 3, or either you can subtract 97 minus 1. Answer will be the same, no doubt. 9, 6 will be. So write down as it is. Now again 99, 9995 minus 11, or 9989 minus 5. I do this one or that, anything that you like. Okay. Both the answers will be the same. Now what will be the answer? 89
9984.
minus 5.
9984.
9984 will be. Now we know this one. What will be there? 999998 will be. Yeah. So this is your final answer. Actually, it looks very lengthy because I am explaining it. That's why it looks lengthy. But when you start alone with your mind, then it will give you quick answer. Okay. Yes. Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. And one more observation is there, that these all numbers are below 100. Means in the first example, the numbers are below the base. In the second example also, the numbers are below the base. You can observe this one, right? Below the base means they are less than this. Okay. So next, let's have another examples to solve. So multiply. Yes, question. Multiply 9750 by 9998. Yes. How to do? Yes, 9750 into 9998. Now what will be the base here? Base will be 10,000. Okay, 10,000 is the base. So what will be the difference here? Minus 50, 250, right? What will be the base here? Sorry, subtraction difference. You have to subtract the 9750 by with this 10,000. 250 will be there, and here minus 2 will be there. Yes.
Sir,
How many?
answer is 974850000.
9748
0500.
0500. Is it right? How it came?
Sir, 8 नंतर 5.
Okay, I will write it. Okay, let's do it with the procedure. Yeah. What to do now? The third step is to multiply these two. Yes, 250 and minus 2. Minus 250 and 2 means 500 will be there, right? But how many digits are there? 4 digits. So how to write down 500 in 4 digits? You have to put 0 before 5, right? So 0, 5, 0, 0. Okay. Now next thing is what? Next thing is very easy. You have to subtract this 2 from this one. This will be easy because if you go to subtract 9998 from this 250, then it will be lengthy little bit. So subtract this. What you will get? 9748. So the answer is what? 974805. So this is the answer. Okay. Let's do one more. Multiply 1007 by 1010. Let's see. Let's see. 1007 and 1010. Now what will be the base here?
1000.
1000 will be the base because it is near to 1000. Now how to solve it? Subtraction will be what? Plus 7.
Plus 7 plus 10.
Here plus 10. Then the answer will be what? Here 7 into 10. You have to multiply these two. 7 into 10, 70. But you have to write in 3 digits. How to write? 070. Now again, here addition will be there. 1010 plus 7. That is 1017. So this is the answer. So answer 1007 into 1010 will be what? 1017 070. Okay. Is this method is better than crisscross system of multiplication?
Yes.
This is little bit more easy. No need to do multiplication, lengthy multiplication. Okay. That's why most of the time people use this method. So again, multiply. Now do the multiplication. Please mute your mic. No, it's okay. You did it. Okay, multiply. Multiply. See, 667 and 997. Yes, do it. 9988 and 9996. Do this multiplication. I am writing the question. Do it quick. No need to take much more time. Yes. What will be the answer here? Yes. These two numbers are near to what? 10,000. Base will be 10,000 here. Am I right? If base is 10,000, then what is the subtraction here? I think 3. Yeah.
234.
333. And here minus 3 will be there. Yeah, it's easy. Again, multiply these two. Yes. Yes, answer will be 664 and
999.
999. That's it. This is the answer. After writing the accurate answer, you can remove this vertical line. Okay. Yeah. What about this one? What will be the base here? 10,000 will be the base. What is the subtraction here? 12, I think. Am I right? And here 4. So what will be the here? 004048. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And then you have to just subtract whatever the easy is
9984.
8. No, 92 will be there. Right? Oh,
Four.
subtraction is there, right? Yeah. 9984 will be there. So this is the answer. Again, what about this one? Which will be the base? Again, 8,000 will be the base. Here 500 minus 500 and minus 9 will be there. Am I right? So the multiplication will be what? 4,500. And how many digits are there? There are 4 digits. So no need to do anything else. and subtract these two. What will be the answer?
9491.
9491. Yeah. Okay. What about this one? This is again near to 1000. So what is that difference here?
182.
182, and here minus 1 will be there, and after multiplication what you will get? 182 and
80719.
80718. Right? So these are the answers. So any doubt this method? Actually there are some cases that we are going to take again ahead. So but up to this point, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so the next thing is, actually here either all the numbers are below the base or above the base. I think I should take one more example. Let's have one more example. 100,200 and 100,20. What will be the answer for this? 100,000. This will be the base. Yes. What will be the subtraction? 200 minus 200.
Addition, sir.
Yeah. Plus. So yes, how many digits should be there? There should be 5 digits. But 2 into 2, 400 is there. So 0, 0, 4, 0. And I want to add this. Right? Am I right now? This is the answer. Okay. So the observation here is that all the numbers are either below the base or above the base. Okay. Both the numbers are above the base. Please mute your mic now. Here, both the numbers are.
Addition. Sir.
तर ते 004 ने
करायचं ना.
काय झालं?
Sir, 200 into 200
400 येते.
880 sir.
Got it. Yes, got it. I got it. Yeah. 00 should be there.
बघा.
Yes.
500 येते प्लस मध्ये.
ओके, इथं काय ते माहिती मला आता की या 4 या 4000. Is this okay now?
No sir. I mean 2000. इथं बेसच्या जागी 800 येते का म्हणलेलं मी.
नाही बरोबर आहे. Because base see 100,200. This number is little bigger than this one with 200. Okay, if we add these two, you will get this one. If we add base and 200, you will get this one. So base is this one again. Base is right. 1 lakh is the base. Okay, so after multiplying these two, I will get 40,000. So 400,000 is there, and 5 digits are there. Yes, obviously 5 digits, and you have to just add these two.
200 पॉझिटिव्ह मध्ये आल्यास ऍड करायचं का?
इथं जे साइन आहे ते साइनचं ऑपरेशन करायचं. इथं सबट्रॅक्शन होतं म्हणून सबट्रॅक्शन केलं. इथं ऍडिशन आहे, ऍडिशन करायचं. ओके.
सर तिथं सबट्रॅक्शन कसं केलं? ऍडिशन येते की
कुठे?
तिथंच
इथे
हा सर तिथं
नाही इथं काय माहिती का, हे 10,000 जे आहे ना याच्यापेक्षा मोठा आहे. बरोबर.
हा.
मग एक्झॅक्टली किती दूर आहे हा याच्यापासून? 10,000 पासून 12 ने दूर आहे.
12
12 ने दूर आहे ना. म्हणजे त्याच्यामध्ये जर 12 ऍड केलं तर 10,000 येईल. मग या दोघांचं सबट्रॅक्शन करायचे आपल्याला. कोणाचं? 10,000चं आणि यांचं सबट्रॅक्शन करायचं. म्हणजे काय येईल? -12 ना. 9989 minus 10,000. -12 will be there.
हा सर.
Okay. In the same way, 9996 minus 10,000. That will give you -4. म्हणजे काय ऍड केल्यानंतर ते बेस भेटेल आपल्याला वगैरे वगैरे. ठीक आहे. कितीनं जास्ती आहे किंवा कितीनं कमी आहे हा विचार करायचा. जर बिलो 10,000 बिलो बेस असेल तर काय येईल तिथं? मायनस येईल. अबोव बेस असेल तर काय येईल इथं? प्लस येईल.
प्लस येते.
ओके.
ओके सर.
ओके.
सर
हा येस.
प्रॉब्लेम 4
Yes.
आहे ना, त्याचा आन्सर चुकलंय.
1 2 3 4. Yeah. What is wrong here?
192 येईल ना.
Yeah, you are right.
नाही सर 182 येते.
182 येते सर मल्टिप्लिकेशन केल्यानंतर.
हो सर 182
नाही. ऍक्च्युली हे सबट्रॅक्शन बघा एकदा या दोघांचं 1000 minus 808 या
करेक्ट आहे,
दोघांचं
192 बरोबर.
192 च येतं. राईट. See 1000 minus 808. Do it.
हा सर हा बरोबर
आणि
आहे.
ऍक्च्युली कमी असल्यामुळे मायनस साइन घेत. या यू आर राईट. मी विश्वास ठेवला, मला वाटतं केला असेल. ठीक आहे. एनिवे नेक्स्ट. Okay, so my observation was all these numbers here below base, and here it is these both the numbers are above the base. Now the next case is one number below base and one number is above base. That is one case. And second case is what happens if this multiplication. Now let me take one example and then we will start. So multiply here 950 by 950 with the procedure. Okay, 950 into 950. What is the base here? What will be the base?
1000.
1000.
Right. So what I can write down? Minus 50 and minus, right? But how many digits are there?
902
Okay, let's see. Here 2500 will be there, right?
25.
200.
Am I right here?
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the second step? What is the second step of the procedure? See how many?
950 minus 50.
Yeah. Wait. How many digits are there in the base? 3 zeros are there, right? 3 zeros are there. So how many digits should be there at right hand side? 3 digits should be there. Okay. So instead of writing 25,000 here, what I need to do? I need to write 500 and carry will be 2. Carry will be 2. This will be the carry. Okay. And 950 minus 50, that will give you what? 900.
900.
What is the next thing? You have to subtract this 2. Sorry.
Add.
You have to add
Add.
this to this 900. That will be your final answer. 90250. Okay. So this is the answer. Means when you will get the number of digits which are greater than number of zeros in the base, then you have to take the remaining thing as a carry. Okay. Here 2500 was there. 3 digits are here. So this 2 will be as a carry. Okay. Because multiplication of these two is this one. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this was the one case. That means when number of digits in RHS exceeds means large than the number of zeros in the base. Okay. This is the one case. Let's have one more example of this kind. So multiply this say 1200 by say 1020. Yeah. Let's do the multiplication. 100 into 1020. Yes, plus 200 plus 20. What is the base? Base will be 1000, right?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer here?
444, carry 4.
444.
000.
4,000.
4
carry
4,000.
I have to write down 00 here and carry will be 4, right? And then
Yes.
add these two. Then 1220.
0.
And you have to add 4 to that 0.
1,
So
2, 2, 4.
1224 0.
0,
That's it.
0.
Here you have to add. Okay. Yes. Actually तुमच्याकडे प्रत्येकाकडे नोटबुक असायला पाहिजे बरं. फक्त इथं बघून तुमच्या काय डोक्यात राहणार नाहीये. तुम्हाला लिहून पण घ्यावं लागेल बऱ्याच गोष्टी. काय म्हणते? सगळंच लक्षात राहील याची गॅरंटी नाही. अगोदरच्या काळात राहत होतं सगळ्यांचं. आता सगळे आपण काय करू, ते नोटबुक वगैरे आल्यापासून सगळं आपण काय नोटबुक मध्ये लिहिलेलं आहे असं अज्युम करतो आणि डोक्यातून काढून टाकतो. ओके. त्याच्यामुळं लिहत चाल. Yes. One more. 150 into 140. Multiply 150 by 140. Yes. What will be the base here? Minus 50, minus 40. Yes. What will be the answer?
Plus 50 plus
1,000.
Plus will be there. Then 19. Yes. Answer will be
2,000.
tell me direct answer.
21,000.
19 will be there. Yeah. 192,000 or 2 times 0.
00.
00 because base will be what? 100. In base how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Okay.
Sir, but answer is 21,000.
Yes, sir. Carry 20 राहते ना सर, त्यामुळे
Okay, wait, let me see. Multiplication will be what? 2 into 5. Yeah,
200.
yeah, 20. Yeah, I should add 20 there. So 20 and 20 will be the carry here, and here 190 is there, right? So the answer will be what? You have to add 2 here to the 9, and 0 plus 0 0. So 2 plus 9 11 will be there, and 1 will be the carry. So 2
2,
1
2, 1.
0
0,
0.
0.
So this will be the answer. Okay. See, if you do directly start from beginning, then it will be wrong sometime. Okay. So you have to practice again and again. Right. So multiply 112 with 110. Multiply these two. Give me the answer.
Sir, answer is 21,000. तुमचे 40 आले.
Where?
Yes,
Here?
sir. हा सर 10 जास्त आला.
Sir, 150 बेस असल्यावर 3/2 into 100 म्हणजे ते तसं पकडून करायचं.
How?
Answer.
1000 येते सर.
Sorry.
Sir, 21,000.
000.
Yes, sir.
तर आपण 20 कॅरी केला आहे ना, मग 2 शून्य उरतात.
दोनच
हा, उरले. आणि मग इकडे 0. हा ओके हा राईट
Sir, answer 1, 2, 3, 2, 0.
याचा आन्सर
1, 2, 3, 2, 0.
2, 0.
yes, is it okay with all? Yes, minus
Yes,
12
sir.
not plus 12 plus 10. Okay,
1, 2, 3, 2,
2,
0, sir.
2-0 येतो सर.
1 2 3
2,
2 0.
2, 0.
Okay, I'm writing it as 2 times. Okay, right. Where is that? Eraser. Yeah. 2 0. Is it okay now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now the next is multiplying a number above the base with a number below the base. Means here, as you can see again,
2 2 येते नाही तर 2 2 3 2 0.
असं let me check again. Doubt आल्यानंतर करावं. Let's start. So 12 into 10 now. What is the base? 100. How many
100.
zeros? 2 zeros. So what is
Two.
the multiplication here? 120. So
120.
multiplication. So 20 will be there and 1 will be the carry.
Carry.
Right. Now addition of these two. So 1 2
22.
2. Right. So you have to add here. Right. So 1 2 3. You have to add this 1 to this 2 and 2 0. It's right. No problem. Okay. Check it one more time. Now the next thing is what? Multiplying a number. Faster होत नाहीये ना?
No, sir.
No, sir.
हो सर.
नाही ना?
No, sir.
Okay, so the next is multiplying a number above the base with a number below the base. Okay, multiplying a number above the base and the base with a number below the base. Right. So let's have one example. Multiply 95 by 115. Let's see. What will be the base here? Base will be 100. Am I right? Base will be the 100. So 95
Yes.
and 115. So what will be the difference here? Minus 5
Minus 5 plus 15.
plus 50. Right. Now again do the same thing. This is the only difference there. So after multiplication, what will you have? Yes, 70
Minus 75.
minus 75. And now what is the subtraction here? So 115 minus 5. Either do this one or this one. Answer will be
100.
only 100.
1 1
1,
0.
0, 5, 0.
110 will be there. Now the next thing is what you have to do, that whatever the answer is there at LHS, you have to multiply it with base. So 110 into 100 minus, you have to subtract this one, 75. I am taking that minus sign outside the bracket, so it will be like this. Okay. Yes, this is the next step for this kind of multiplication. You have to multiply the left hand side by 100, which is a base for us, and subtract 75 from it. So what will be the answer? Yes, 11000 minus 75. So 5, then 4, no,
So 10925.
10
925.
Is it okay? Yes, subtraction.
Yes,
5
sir.
will be there. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 7, 2. And again here 9 will be there. And 1, that will 0. Yeah. So 10925. This is the answer. Actually, this is little bit lengthy. Okay, because you have to take this left hand side and you have to multiply with base and then subtract this one. If here, yeah, subtraction will be there always, because one will be minus sign and one will be of plus sign. So always in this case you will have to subtract. Okay, one more example. Multiply 1044 by 998. Yes, multiply. Let's do it now again. 1044. What will be the base here? 1000 will be the base, right? 998 will be there. Now plus 44, am I right? And minus 2. Now what is the thing here that we have to do?
88.
88. So can I write only 88 here? Minus 88?
Minus 8.
Yes?
minus 088.
Minus 088 I should write. Because how many digits are there? How many zeros are there in the base? There are three zeros. That's why what I have to do, I have to write down minus 088. Minus 088. And here, so the minus 2. See, instead of adding these two, what I can do, I can subtract minus. I can subtract 2 from this. So it will be easy, okay? Okay. Now, what is the next thing? Next thing is 1042. See, while multiplying with the base, just you have to put zeros. How many zeros are there in the base? There are 3. So just put 3 zeros and subtract 088. So the answer
Sir,
will
answer
be
will be
10419.
912.
1,
912.
2. Yeah, 9 minus 8 will be. Yeah, 912. So this will be the answer. See, बऱ्याच वेळेस काय होतं, आपण डोक्यामध्ये कॅल्क्युलेशन नाही करू शकत, but after writing you can do it fast. Okay, you can do in mind also, but you will need more practice for that. Okay, yes. One more, last one. Multiply 1000032 by 99990. Let's do it. 10032. What will be the base here? Yes,
1 lakh.
1000. Right, 1 lakh will be the base, and 99990. Yes, plus 32. Am I right? And minus 10. Yes. What will be there? 32 and multiplication with 10. 320.
Minus 320.
Minus 00320. Why I'm taking this 20? Because digits are 3, but what we need 5 digits should be there. That's why I'm putting 00. Okay, and what about this one? 1000, and what it will be? Yeah, 2. Yeah. Now again, subtraction. 10022. Multiplication of this number with base. Okay, into base. See, don't forget the steps. We have to multiply this LHS with the base. How many zeros are there to the base? 5 zeros. So write down 5 zeros there. Okay, multiplication will be 5 zeros. Minus subtraction will be 00.
00320.
Okay, yeah.
Is
So,
equal to 100.
10002199680.
21
Double
Double
9
6.
680.
680.
Okay, this will be the final answer. But as compared to our usual method, this takes less time. Okay, it is little bit lengthy, but as compared to our usual method, it takes little time. Okay, it is little fast. Okay, so I think we should stop here, because
sir.
it will be more burden for you. See you tomorrow at 11. Okay, either sir will be there or I will take the class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you have any
Okay,
doubt,
sir. Thank you, sir.
पाटील सर,
Yes, sir.
सर कुठल्या कॉलेजचे आहात तुम्ही? हॅलो, पाटील सर, आवाज येतोय?
मीटिंग लीव केली सर.
Okay, okay, no problem. So see you tomorrow at the same time, 11 a.m. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.